What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to Wanna How to Smartphones tutorial videos on the Samsung Galaxy S9. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to turn on the flashlight, how to turn it on, how to turn it off. So if you guys find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you know somebody who's looking for this information, please do share it with them. So what we're going to do is just go to the lock screen. From the lock screen, you can swipe down and you will see a list of shortcuts, a bunch of different apps on here. Flashlight should be one of those, so go ahead and select it. Once it's lit blue, your flashlight is now on. If you have your phone, if you have the flashlight on and you power off the screen, you should still be able to use that flashlight. So turning it off, just make sure in your lock screen, it'll pretty much work from any screen. You can be on the home screen, it'll work from there as well. You pull down, you see these shortcuts. The flashlight looks like a little flashlight you selected. If you don't see it, go ahead, pull it down, you will get more options. And if for whatever reason you still don't see it, what you're going to want to do is go up here to these three buttons at the top, select that, and you go button order. And from button order, you will then notice that there are two different pages of buttons that you can use. If it's over in any one of these, you can go ahead and just press and hold, and you can slide it and you can move it. And from that way, it's been set to the very first one. You hit done, and there it is, turning the flashlight on and off. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you know somebody looking for this information, please do share it with them. And that's all I got for you guys on this one. If you guys like to see other helpful tips and tricks on the Samsung Galaxy S9, be sure to check out that playlist in the description below. That's all I got for in this one. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.